disturbs the Empress.
Round 1. Fight!
Hello, Monkey and Tootsie Monk here, and today we are doing Mileena's makeup tutorial. I already marked where I'm gonna put my teeth, so figure out where you're gonna put your teeth and stuff, and put black there, because we'll be putting Pros-Aid all through here. And I would suggest go ahead. I used the Lay Crayon Kohl thingy, and just make sure it's not flat. Mark you out a big old black space through here, because this is where your teeth is. So you need this blacked out. And go ahead and black out your mouth too while you're at it. Now you're gonna do this to both sides. Alright. Now that you got that all blacked out and look like a weirdo, but that's kind of the point. I went ahead and put Pros-Aid on the back of my teeth. Come on, camera, really? So I'm waiting for that to dry because it's going to take a little longer to dry on the prosthetic because you want it to dry beforehand. So we're going to do the rest of the face. My face is already lotioned up and clean. I'm going to move my makeup kit over here. Okay. I'm gonna get my primer. Tiny little dot, because we don't need that much at all. You're just going around. You don't want any makeup where those spots are. That's why we stuck it there first. Oh, you know what I should have done? I should have blacked out my eyebrows first. I tried to put the sponge thingy as a lid on here. Urban Decay Optical Illusional Complexion Primer is what I'm using with the little beauty blender. I'm going to go ahead and block out my eyebrows. You want to brush it back and forth with glue stick. And let that dry a little. Okay. My eyebrows are pretty bushy, so I'm gonna take a little pencil. Well, this. And FYI, normally I like to record my makeup tutorials like around the same time that I'm about to post them, but this time I didn't. Simply because I am, because of these contacts, because you have to put them in first. So therefore, I'm recording this now because my prescription for this might not work by the time this comes out. See, this will help black out your mouth to make it look wider. And this is Black Art Beauty. It's from Hot Topic. It's called Poison Kiss. It's black. But yeah, it's lipstick. But see how it makes my mouth look more open? Not as closed? That's what you want. So, yeah. Actually, I'm gonna... There we go. That looks like it's wide open. Alright. Now that I got that part done, I'm gonna put primer on my eyebrows. Okay, now we're gonna go in with All Nighter shade 0.5 of the Urban Decay Waterproof Liquid Foundation. Looks like this, in case you're wondering. Put one pump. Like I said, you don't need much, probably even half a pump. Like I said, you want this damp. Alright, and go ahead and start trying to cover up some of your eyebrow. Now, Mileena's pretty tan. If it would look okay on your skin, try to darken up your skin. But with mine, it's too light, where it wouldn't oxidize properly. So I would suggest just work with what shade you got, because you can use bronzer or stuff like that to darken it. Okay, now that I got that, I'm gonna go in now with, once I find it, because I'm trying to get the face part done first before we attach the Prozade. Using my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. Gonna go in with my eyeshadow. We are using the Urban Decay Beauty with an Edge palette. And we're gonna go in with Flash, a mixture of Flash and Tornado. And you just want it on the lid. Alright, now go to the top and use Tornado. Alright. And then you want to use Blackout and smoke it all out. And that's what you should have. Something like that. It's okay if it's a little messy because it's Mileena. So don't feel obligated to have it like fabulously fantastic, I guess. Do that. Alright, now that part's done. I'm gonna go in with my if I find it. Oh, here it is. Naked Skin Coverage Concealer. Mine's in the lightest shade I can find. It's fair neutral. Ugh. That's the problem with this stuff. It flies out. Ooh, looking very smoky. Alright. Now that we got that down, let's go ahead and go in with our eyeliner. And I'm using Stila liquid eyeliner. Let it dry. That's where I put it. She doesn't have like a cat eye or anything like that. You put some down here. See how that really opened up my eye? Looks kind of creepy. Alright, now do it to the other eye. Dry it. To look this fabulous, this is what it takes. Okay. Now do the bottom. Dang, creepy. Nuts. It'll look better once we have the teeth on. Kinda. It'll look more scary. Alright. Now we're going to do our mascara. I'm using the Better Than Sex mascara. But first, before we do that, we should crimp. Okay. Now that's done. Can y'all see those? Pretty ridiculous, huh? Alright, now let that dry. It's a lot of drying going on. Alright, and while that is drying, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Prozade and start putting it on my face. You don't want a heavy, thick layer on. Just one good layer. And Prozade is what I found that works for me. If Spirit Gum works for you, you can go with that. But I know Prozade tends to hold it better. Or at least in my case. But you're more than welcome to use Spirit Gum. or latex even. Latex won't hold that well, but use whatever substance type glue works for you. See how it's already drying? Okay, now we're gonna go and work on our eyebrows. Real fast like. Make sure. And I'm going in with the same pencil I used to mark where my teeth are going. That looks totally uneven. They're still sisters, but it works. Alright. There we go. I don't know. I don't do eyebrows. Okay. There's that. Now we can go ahead. Highlight just a little, not a lot. Again, this is a grungy character, so you don't want to go too crazy. Okay. And I just used my Aura Urban Decay highlighter. Just a little. Like I said, with Mileena, you don't need much. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my lipstick first before I put this on. But you want to go in with, I use MAC Really Me Matte. That's what I use. It gets that dull color that she's got. Okay. Now, seal it, and then we'll put on the teeth. Alright, let's put on some teeth. I'm going to put the bottom row on first. See how much it's stuck? You have to really hold it for a good minute. See? Crazy, huh? Now do it to the other side. Line up with your black lines. I might have to redo this side. If you see where it's trying to fall off, well, it might hold. There's the bottom. Now you do the top. Right. You pull it together and wait some more. There you go. Now do the other side. And hold your face and move back and forth.
That went back and forth. That went back and forth.
Hey, wait, that's good. Oh no, that's a Grace's character, the S chick. Whatever. She whips her head back and forth as an attack on Mortal Kombat.
Really?
Yep. Having fun with it, are you? Alright. Push it on your face. Does that look different now?
No.
Yeah, I believe that's where it's supposed to go. Open it.
Okay, yeah. The bottom is moving good.
Okay. This is my face now. Will you still love me like this?
Honey, if you still love me like this, I think you got it going on.
But there you go. Now the teeth move with your mouth. See, the trick that I found to marking these is follow your gum line. And that's how you know. Although, I might not have put enough glue or it waited too long. But that's it. This is Mileena. Now you just put on your wig and you're ready to go. And change out your earrings. Of course, don't wear heartless earrings, which I'll change my earrings here in a minute. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hit like, subscribe, ring the bell, And follow me on Twitch if you want to see more Jason. Alright guys, I'll see you next time. Bye! Happy cosplaying! Bye! Guess what? I have to put on this wig. And guess who stole my ponytail wig? The ponytail wig! My head's too fat for it!
Remember this?
Yeah, so I'm going with regular Mileena wig for it. So it's not 100% accurate. Sue me!
Mileena wins. Fatality.